Hey Brenda, how are you doing today? Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. My name is John Kirkpatrick. I own To The Top Marketing down here in Burleson, Texas, and Dale said to send this over to you and that you would be the one to watch it. So I just want to go over a couple of quick things about your website, and I know what you might be asking yourself, why am I doing this? What's in it for me? Well, I find that just by making these videos, SEO guys have gotten a really bad name, and deservedly so. I show you everything that I would do to get your website to rank, and exactly how to do it. And if you want help with it at the end and you need somebody to walk through it with you, I'd be more than happy to help or put together a plan for you. But if you want to take this information and just run with it, that's awesome. That's kind of why I give this information out. So I want to go over content, citation, and backlinks, and those three things and how they help your website to rank. Now, content is anything on your homepage that you can highlight, from your text all the way down to your pictures, just everything on your page that can be crawled by Google. And Google really likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content, and that is because they want you to have an authoritative website that kind of makes it look like you know what you're talking about, and you give customers a bunch of information. And it also allows you to work in your keywords you want to be found for. So proudly serving Fort Worth and the surrounding communities. You'd want this to be something more like, we provide AC repair Fort Worth families can trust, because that AC repair Fort Worth is something somebody searches for between 450 and 500 times a month, and you want to pull up first for that. So when you have an exact match of what people are searching for, Google is going to show your website before other ones that don't have an exact match of that terminology and of that phrasing. Even all the way down to what your pictures are saved as. So if you right click on an image and tell it to save as, this is Grant Tech Pick, you want to save that as something you want to be found for. So HVAC Fort Worth, you want to save that picture as that, so Google crawls what the pictures are saved as and everything on your site. So you want to tell them, hey, we have exactly what people are searching for. So that would be my tip on content. Definitely add some more wording to your website. I wanted to show you one of your competitors and just kind of what I'm talking about here. This is Fort Worth Air Conditioning Company. Looks like he's a pretty small operation just with a truck and a trailer. But if you go down here and look at his content, he's got a bunch of words on his website. So air conditioning contractor Fort Worth, dependable AC repair contractor, air conditioning repair Fort Worth. He's got all of his keywords down. Emergency AC repair in Fort Worth. So this is helping him get found for a bunch of different keywords. So that's my tips on content. Let's go over here and talk about citations. Now I just searched AC repair Fort Worth. Up here at the top you'll have your ads. Right here you'll have what's called the Google Map Pack section, and underneath it are the organic results. So to get your business to list in this Google Map Pack section, you need to optimize your Google My Business page. And there's a couple of ways to do that. Number one, you want to have a good amount of reviews. Number two, you want to make sure you're adding pictures. Google likes to see the interaction. They like social signals, so make sure you're posting to your Facebook page. There's a way to go in and add a post to your Google My Business. Do that with an offer that says, we give $10 off service calls for the next month. Just something like that, so Google sees a lot of activity. They like that. Save pictures as keywords you want to be found for, like HVAC Fort Worth and such. But the most important thing you can do is get more citations for your business. Now, a citation is just your business name, business address, and business phone number listed throughout different places in the web, and you want them all to match. So if you have it listed here as, this is your competitor, Fort Worth Air Conditioning Co. Incorporated, you want to have that exactly throughout the web. And when I say directories, I'm talking about Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext does a lot of reselling of directories, but you just want to go out and get as many as you possibly can. That'll help your website to pull up here first and drive a bunch more traffic to your website. So number two here is FortWorthAir.com. They're the number 2 site that pulls up when you search AC Repair Fort Worth. And I wanted to show you what that's doing for them. And to do that, I'll kind of come into my tool called Ahrefs. And this tool is about $100 a month, but it is extremely helpful just kind of seeing how your website's doing online, what backlinks are pointing to it, and how it's performing overall. So if you can see here, you have 904 backlinks coming from 57 different referring domains. you're getting found for 482 organic keywords. That's just terms that people are searching for. Like if they search your name, Grant Air Conditioning, or AC Repair Fort Worth, those are all organic keywords. You're being found for 482 of those, and it's driving 324 people a month to your website. Now, if we go over here and look at, sorry, my computer's going slow today. This is FortWorthAir.com. Those were your competitors I was showing you. They've got 1.7 thousand backlinks coming from 197 different referring domains. And their organic keywords I know is in the 300s, and their traffic is in the high 300s. So 306 organic keywords here and 381 people clicking on their website a month. Now you might be saying, well, that's extremely close. We're getting found for the same stuff. I want to try to get these to load. I want to show you what you're ranking for. So if we come in here and look at your keywords, most of your traffic is coming from your name, which is great, but it's, if people are already searching your name, they know you exist, they probably already have used you. So those are your existing clients. So 136 people from your name. Here's your name again. Air conditioning service near me. You're getting 21 clicks a month for that. Here's a bunch more of your name, air conditioning, air conditioning, air conditioning, Carrier Fort Worth. You're getting a little bit of traffic there. But again, that's not really a keyword that somebody searches for when they're looking for AC repair. So you want to go after buyer intent keywords. And I want to show you what I mean here real quickly. So this is your competitor again, Fort Worth Air. Let's look at the things that he's ranking for. So AC Repair Fort Worth gets searched 450 times a month here, and he's getting 57 clicks a month from it, and he's in that second position. HVAC Fort Worth, he's in the 4th spot, gets 24 clicks a month. Fort Worth Air Conditioning, Fort Worth Air Conditioner, Fort Worth AC Repair Fort Worth. So every single one of his keywords that he's getting found for is buyer intent keywords. If somebody's searching for HVAC Repair Fort Worth, they want to get their HVAC fixed. So those are the kind of keywords that you want to go after. Go do some keyword research and figure out what people are searching for. And then to get more links than them, a good way to do it is just come in here and click on referring domains and go get a link everywhere that they have a link. So you only have 57, they have 197. Just get everything that they have and then just don't stop. So if they have 197, go out and get 250. And that's going to help you start beating them and get more traffic and get this traffic up to more like 1,000, but have it be people actually searching for the services you provide more than just your name. So those are the tips I had for you. That's backlinks. We talked about citations and getting listed in more directories. And lastly, we talked about content and how you need to add more wording and more pictures to your website and save those pictures as keywords you want to be found for. So that's about all I had for you. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. My name is John Kirkpatrick, owner of To The Top Marketing down here in Burleson. My number is 469-247-1707. Give me a call if you need help with any of this, or just reach back out to me through email if that's easier for you. And I can put together a plan for you if you would like, just kind of showing what it would take to start beating your competition and start ranking for those buyer intent keywords. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it was informative and helpful. And if you need any help, reach out to me. Thank you.